Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys a Target and Little Marshalls haul. So if you want to see this video, just keep on watching. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I appreciate every like, every comment, every single subscriber. So let's go ahead and get into today's video. So I'm going to start out on this side. We got some tater tots. My husband and my daughter absolutely love these. We actually put them in the air fryer for a good 25 minutes. They come out nice and crunchy. So we normally do not get sweet potato fries, but for some reason this time I was like, let's try something different. We love fries. My daughter loves fries. She used to actually love sweet potato purees, so we decided to go ahead and try the fries and see how she likes them. We got some string cheese. If you've been around a while, you know my daughter absolutely loves these. We got some chocolate chip cookies. You guys know these are my go-tos. Leave them in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes and they'll be nice and chewy on the inside and nice and crunchy on the outside. It's a must-have in this house. My daughter loves blocks of cheese with pepperoni. So we got that. I also did get pepperoni, turkey pepperoni in the mail, though I ordered it because they never have it in store. But yeah, I got that as well. I get some turkey breast and we get and some chicken breast for my husband's cold lunch. Now, I didn't want to resort to this, but unfortunately, there is some days that I just don't want to cook in the morning. It's just me and my daughter. If I have a headache, she slept bad, or she's very fussy. Make my life easier, I decided to get some pancakes. Quick and easy to make, and then I also got some Eggos, and these were Star Wars, so I thought they were really, really cute, and she absolutely loves Guru, so Guru, oh my god, I forgot how to say it, Baby Yoda. So yeah, had to get that as well. Hopefully she likes them. We'll find out. If you guys been here for a while, you guys absolutely know I love me some buttermilk biscuits, so I got 2 of those. I also got this. If you haven't seen my reel, I do have an apple little recipe that I make with that. Now, I normally just get the croissants. My husband loves the croissants. I usually put ham and cheese in it, and just roll it up and put it and bake it for like 15 minutes, for a quick snack. But I feel like that's a little too small sometimes, so I decided to get the pizza crust one and see if that turns out a little bit better. And my daughter also likes pepperoni and cheese in general, so I might make a little pizza with that. We'll see what I come up with. We'll see. I had to get 1 more of my almond creamer. This is my favorite. We got 1 more of the non-dairy creamer, and this is the pumpkin spice latte. You guys know I love me some pumpkin. And then 'tis the season, guys. I love me a peppermint white mocha. Last year we weren't able to find a white mocha creamer that was dairy free, so hopefully we can find one this year. But I love me some peppermint white mocha, so hopefully I can find something. My daughter loves goldfish. We've been kind of trying to not give her as many, but I saw these and I thought they were so cute, so we picked these up. My husband picked these out, but we normally like getting the lentils ones in general. We usually get the red, but this time they didn't have it, so he got the yellow. Incorporate that in her pastas that she loves. If you were around last year when I did Vlogmas, I actually had made a homemade red velvet cookies, and I also made a red velvet recipe without the red dye. And I also did chocolate chip cookies, and I believe chocolate cookies as well, homemade, fresh and scratched. From scratch, guys, from scratch. So yeah, if you want to see those videos, they are on the Vlogmas playlist. I like having this on hand in general. So last week I actually made dinner and I didn't have pasta, so I actually used this, and I just love the sizes of it, guys. They're so easy to for her to eat, and I don't have to worry about her like choking or anything. And also when I do make it with that, I actually like incorporating these cheeses into that, so I won't have to use the whole packet, just to keep it a little bit on the healthier side ish for her. But got that. If you guys been here a while, you guys know we love bread, so we got this one this time. And then I also picked up some Ziploc bags, which I already opened. All right, and also at Target, we actually saw these, which are easy on, easy off squirts. I always say that wrong, but the shorts basically for my toddler. I got 3T because she is a skinny girl. My husband's like, that's too short, but I'm like, babe, they're shorts, relax. But I thought this was a good deal. They were $2.40 each. So I got pink, black, and this really pretty color. I swear I picked another color up, and I swear I think my husband put it back because he didn't want to get these. He says they're too short. So he needs to relax. All right, and I also picked this up. So this is actually a boy's 3T. I was gonna get size 4T, and I felt like it was a little bit too big, so I ended up getting the 3T, which explains a lot because it's actually, technically speaking, for boys. I don't think it's very boyish, so, or girlish. I just feel like it should be unisex, but whatever. But yeah, it was pretty affordable, so I'm so excited that we got this because it's super duper cute. All right, and then I saw this at Ross, and we had to, guys, we had to. It was $3.99, and it's a perfect like transition. It's super duper cute. My daughter was so excited when she saw it. She said sustos. You guys know that's what she calls anything that's like scary or skeletons, so had to pick that up. We also got these at Ross. It was such a good deal. They are $3.99 for 9 packs. My daughter absolutely loves the chocolate and the strawberries, and so does my husband, so we had to pick these up as well. These are her little treats. Okay, and the last thing we picked up is this, guys. So it is technically a booster seat, and the reason we got this is because my toddler actually does not like sitting in her seat anymore, her high chair. When we go to restaurants, she refuses. She has to sit right next to us, so we always have to get like a not booster seat, like a those chair, one of these, basically, just like at home. So we got this because when we go to my in-laws, she actually likes sitting on an old chair that we used to have that's a little bit higher up. So we think she'll be perfectly fine with this. And it's until you're 5. You can technically speaking use this chair thing. So I thought it was really cool to just have, just in case she doesn't reach, we have something she could sit on, and it is nice, like nice and secure. And it can be used also like a bag, which is, I thought was really, really cool. And it was also really, really affordable. So we got that. Hopefully we'll like it. We will see. I'm very excited for this one though. My husband did get my daughter some house shoes, which I'll show you guys those on the screen right now. If you like videos like this, please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe if you haven't already, and thumbs up. I appreciate every like, every subscriber, and every single one of you guys that take your time to watch my videos. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.